Hello and welcome. We're going to spend a few moments going through a short breathing meditation and then learning the Namaste Flow, Somatic Movement Flow, which is a beautiful way to get a little bit more grounded, connected to our center, to the moment, and to our breath. So let's begin by coming into a comfortable seated posture. So you can sit on a cushion on the floor or in a chair. I highly recommend that you place a little something underneath your hips to elevate them up a little bit so that they are at least level with your knees, if not a little bit higher. That's going to make it much more comfortable for you here and enable you to get more length and ease in your posture as well. So resting your hands onto your legs, closing your eyes if you wish, or just taking a soft downward gaze. We'll take 3 cleansing breaths just to arrive here together. So breathing easy in through your nose and out with a long, soft sigh. Letting the shoulders soften, letting the jaw relax. Again, breathing in and just letting your day go. Welcoming your awareness, all of your thoughts, your energy, your attention here to this moment. We'll take one more cleansing breath together. From here, let's place one hand on the belly and one over the heart center, sort of the middle of the chest. And as you breathe in, just notice the movement beneath your hands. So feel your belly, perhaps, your chest rising up to meet your hands, and then softening away from your hands as you exhale. So again, finding a long, slow breath in. Feel your breath coming up to meet the palms of your hands. And a long, slow breath out. Feel your body softening beneath your hands. Breathing in through your nose. And out through your nose or your mouth. As we just take 2-3 more breaths together here, begin to feel the movement of your breath a little bit more in your belly. So as you breathe in, allow the belly to expand out to meet your hand. And as you breathe out, gently hug your belly back in towards your spine. Do that 2 more times. As you breathe in, allow the belly area to expand, welcoming in this fresh new spring breath. And as you breathe out, gently hug your belly muscles back towards your spine. One more time, in and out. Beautiful. Release your hands to your legs. Take a few little shoulder rolls here. Just moving into your body a little bit today. Relaxing your shoulders down your back. And bring your palms together now in front of the chest. From here, we're going to make sort of a diamond shape with the fingers. So the index fingers and the thumbs press together. And you're going to push the hands away from you as though you were pushing something away. Tuck and round through your back. And then just bring the hands back in, lifting up through your chest. So let's do that with our breath. Inhale. And as you exhale, press the hands forward, hug your belly to your back as you round your spine. Again, inhale, bringing the hands to you, lifting the chest. And exhale, press the palms away, rounding through your back. We're going to build our way into the full movement now. So again, inhale, bring the hands to the heart. Exhale, pressing the palms away, rounding your back, and pause. Palms turn to face each other. Let's reach up and just feel your hips heavy, your heart light, taking the palms, the arms open wide as if you could welcome in the sunshine of a new day. And then the hands come back together down the center line. Let's put that all together with our breath. Inhale. And exhale, rounding back, pressing the palms forward. Inhale, lift and reach, opening through the front of the body. Exhale, bring the hands back together, down in front of the heart, as if gathering back home to your center. Breathing in, and breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And coming through that one or two more times on your own. Now that you have the movement, maybe close your eyes to get a sense of moving from the inside out. Take your time as you discover the length of your breath. Synchronizing the movement of your body with the movement of your breath last time through. Pausing as you come back to center. Resting your hands onto your legs. Just take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice the soft, easy rhythm of your breath moving within your body. Noticing where your body meets the support beneath you. And just feel yourself resting here into this present moment experience. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy the rest of your day. Namaste.